So Debbie and I are going to walk from there, Simonstown Harbour. So there you can see the harbour, the ships and everything. We are parked here. And we're going to walk to Admiral's Waterfall. There you see the mountains. Just look at that beautiful. So we are parked on Barnard Street or road. We're going to head up here and then find a path.
Go placidly amid the noise and haste, and remember what peace there may be in silence. As far as possible, without surrender, be on good terms with all persons. Speak your truth quietly and clearly, and listen to others. Even the dull and ignorant, they too have their story. Avoid loud and aggressive persons. They are vexations to the spirit. If you compare yourself with others, you may become vain and bitter, for always there'll be greater and lesser persons than yourself. You are a child of the universe, no less than the trees and the skies. You have a right to be here, and whether or not it is clear to you, the universe is unfolding as it should. Enjoy your achievements as well as your plans. Keep interested in your own career. However humble, it is a real possession in the changing fortunes of time. Exercise caution in your business affairs, for the world is full of trickery. But let this not blind you to the virtue there is. Many persons strive for high ideals, and everywhere life is full of heroism. Be yourself. Especially do not feign affection, neither be cynical about love. For in the face of all aridity and disenchantment, it is perennial as the grass. Take kindly the counsel of the years, gracefully surrendering the things of youth. Nurture strength of spirit to shield you in sudden misfortune. But do not distress yourself with imaginings. Many fears are born of fatigue and loneliness. Beyond a wholesome discipline, be gentle with yourself. You are a child of the universe, no less than the trees and the stars. You have a right to be here, and whether or not it is clear to you, no doubt, the universe is unfolding as it should. Therefore, be at peace with God, whatever you conceive him to be.
That's about as far as it goes. Look at that lovely ledge there. Water. Just over there. Some more water. The gorge just goes up and up and up right above us. I think so. Just look at this lovely little pond here. So there it is looking back. That would be where the water gushes over in winter. There we having our picnic. Down there is the edge of the waterfall. Just look at the rocks. Just look at the detail, the strata. I mean, that would be like a magnificent cave if you wanted to bug out. And that one there is pretty magnificent too. Wow, wow, wow. There's like a little path there that someone, but it doesn't go anywhere close to it. I don't know how you would get there.